Hello everyone, I am going to discuss about atomicity. Okay, so before I discussing that atomicity, you should know that atoms. What is atoms? Okay, this what is atoms? Okay, so according to Dalton's, one scientist is there. This scientist name is Dalton. Okay, so according to Dalton's, that atoms is all matter is made up of very tiny particles. So all matter is made up of very tiny particles called atoms. Okay, called atoms, which participate in chemical reaction. So which participate in chemical reaction. Okay, chemical reaction or reactions. So this one is atom. This scientist is John Dalton. So according to his statement, that means according to John Dalton, all matter is made up of very tiny particles called atoms, which participate in chemical reaction. Now participate in chemical reaction, further I will discuss that chemical reaction. Okay, so first of all, now this one is atoms. So this one, now this atomicity, this is atomicity. Atomicity. Now what is atomicity? Then atomicity, what is atomicity? So now you can see the number of atoms constituting a molecule, constituting a molecule is known as its atomicity. Okay, so this one is atomicity. So this atomicity's definition, again I am going to read this one. The number of atoms constituting a molecule is known as its atomicity. Okay, so atomicity. Now some examples. Okay, see examples. One example is oxygen, O2. This is oxygen, or this one is oxygen gas, or another name is dioxygen, dioxygen. So what is the atomicity of dioxygen? Atomicity is 2. Okay, this atomicity is what? This atomicity is 2. So atomicity of oxygen gas is 2. Okay, now another examples, or so many examples is there, some elements. So you have atomicity of some elements. So atomicity of some elements, the types of elements, suppose types of element are now we have to consider that non-metal. Okay, non-metal. First name argon. Now argon, what is the symbol of argon? This argon symbol is AR. Okay, this one is argon, AR. So what is the atomicity of argon? Here how many element? Only one. So atomicity is 1. If atomicity 1, that means you can call this one is monoatomic. Okay, this one. Next is helium. Okay, helium. So what is the symbol of helium? He. Helium. This symbol is He. Okay. Now what about atomicity? This atomicity is only 1. Atomicity of helium is 1. This one also monoatomic. Okay. If single atom is present, that means mono. If double, that means 2 atoms present, that means di. So another example, oxygen. So this one also non-metal. This oxygen, name is this oxygen. Now what this oxygen? Now what is the symbol of oxygen? O2. This is oxygen gas, O2. Now what is the atomicity? This atomicity is, now you can see here, this is what? This 2. Atomicity is 2. If 2, then you can call as this is diatomic. This one is diatomic. So this is oxygen gas. This non-metal is oxygen. So oxygen gas, that oxygen, what is the atomicity of oxygen? 2. Okay. Next, hydrogen. This one also hydrogen gas. Okay. Now what is the atomicity? Now you can see here, how many hydrogen? 2. So what is the atomicity of hydrogen? Is 2, because here two atoms combined together to form one molecule. Okay, so here atomicity is 2. This one also called diatomic. This one is also called diatomic. So atomicity of hydrogen is 2. Okay, this one. Next, nitrogen. Now what is the symbol of nitrogen? Nitrogen molecule N2. Okay, N2. Now what is the atomicity? This atomicity you can see here. How many atoms here? 2. Then atomicity is 2. This one also diatomic. Okay, this is diatomic. You can write. Okay, right. The diatomic. Okay, this is diatomic. Next, chlorine. CHLORINE. Okay, chlorine. Now what is the symbol of chlorine? The symbol Cl2. Okay, chlorine. This chlorine gas Cl2. Now what is the atomicity? Here is what? 2. This atomicity is 2. So what is the atomicity of chlorine gas or chlorine molecule? This one is 2. If 2, this is diatomic. atomic. Okay, next another non-metal is phosphorus, PHOSPHORUS, phosphorus. Now what is the symbol of phosphorus? The symbol of phosphorus is P4. Okay, P4. Now what is the atomicity? That atomicity is 4. If 4, that means tetra atomic. Tetra atomic. If 4, how many phosphorus here attached? There are 4 phosphorus, that's why is tetra. If 3, then tri. Okay, another one is sulfur. The sulfur, what is the symbol of sulfur? S8. What is the atomicity of sulfur molecule? This is molecule, sulfur molecule. What is the atomicity of sulfur molecule? Here 8. Okay, this one is, sometimes this one is called polyatomic or octaatomic. Atomic. Okay, octa. If 8, then octa. If 7, hepta. If 6, hexa. If 5, penta. If 5, then penta. Pentaatomic. Okay. Next, ozone. O-Z-O-N-E, ozone. So what is the symbol of ozone gas? O3. That what is the atomicity? Is 3. If 3, then triatomic. Okay, triatomic. Then atomicity is 3. Triatomic. Okay. So these are is atomicity of some elements. Okay. So first of all, you have to learn that atoms define or definition, or what do you mean by atom according to John Dalton. Atom, after that atomicity. Okay, atomicity, these two definitions, and atomicity of some elements, this one. Okay, if single atom is present, that means mono. If double, that means two atoms combine together to form di. If 3, then tri. If 4, tetra. If 5, then penta. If 6, hexa. If 7 atoms are attached together, then hepta. If 8, then octa.